Look at this little chubby.
You got who talking.
Yep. Holy crap. He hit all of them. I mean, it's not that hard of a part, but still, he's still, oh crap. Aw. I'm definitely adding him to friends. Apocalypse DAO or something. Dude. Well, that part's not that hard, but still. Oh my god. Holy crap. You forgot. Let me see.
That's like 2 something years ago. 27, no shit, that's something bad. 74's my new high.
Alright, press OK. And let's look at the stats.
First 3 were Ryan, the last one was me.
Oh, shut up.
So look, the Fire and Flames 180. Ha! Killed me.
Yeah, he still killed you though.
Yeah.
500 to 200.
Which one did he get high on?
Every one of them.
No, I mean the...
Oh,
He got higher on yours.
Fire and the Flames.
He got higher on yours.
Yeah, a little bit higher.